Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Eti noi now. Peshona kwete chindau. Zichiverengwa naye when you skimba no fumura no itama.
Timu yangu ndio nguida si yeye kazoka shakari zikupisa skimbo ewa kazikupisa tukpe timu yangu pasita pena zikupisa katokoti bai button subscribe so that amusari pane save neshitika zikupisa chi pasita productive and pasita pena nas tsoya shakari ne Infinity Bells kutara kuti iyo ine mabero manyama akachipa uye mabero awo wana kusitsira kwese kwauri all over Zimbabwe ndi but this nei inzwe zvari kuchaura.
Infinity Clothing Bells, Mabero Suppliers. Mabero Ese Aripo. All sealed bales available in stock. Order yours today. Bero rako rinoshuka kwaunogara within 24 hours. Delivery free all over Zimbabwe. Contact us on 0773 457 811. 0773 457 811. Infinity Clothing Bells. Mabero Suppliers. Mabero Ese Aripo.
Right, chitopinda munyanas uchindiro Zimbabwe rakachinetseka zvisingaiti zvizoni chechikuitika kuna Lady Squander mushure menge iyanga adzikira angamburi jafu anditi but visnei zvosangana nejafu yakashara kuti aiwa iyanzi handite madrugs iipochi ndiyandiri kuda ndakati ha padombosekwa apa zvisinei zvinziremeka zvichaura mongozochi yokupinyeni mucomment section anditi but kuina parara adiji sika tsasiri zvokumashure zvakaitika but aiwa avatori kutanza driver drugs but zvisine zvinzwire mega keep on subscribing zviri kupisa naskimbo paziso regondo TV.
Soja Love was born on the 22nd of November. So every year I celebrate my birthday night. So this year I said no, I'm not going to throw a party on my birthday. I'll do it after my birthday so that everybody respect Oshibaba.
Let's talk about your relationship with Soja Love, because you know Soja Love was a musical genius, especially when it comes to dance. Even there, with the stand-up comedy, I know a lot of people would have appreciated the comedy. But let's talk about your relationship. How well did you know Soja Love?
I knew him very well. Soja Love was a brother to me. So I'm also one of my fool.
Okay.
Yeah, we share the same totem. We share the same month. My birthdays, and we shared the same journey of music. And Soja Love was like.
What's the one thing that you mostly remember about Jalab?
The way he used to talk, like his lips. Yeah, the way he moves his lips. Yeah.
Now let's just rewind. You know, a lot of things happened in your life. There were a lot of shenanigans. There were a lot of this and that.
Yeah,
what was really going on in your mind during time? What's the one thing that was really going on in your mind?
A lot of things were in my mind by that time. I was a little bit confused, a little bit lonely, and a little bit ashamed of why people were doing that to me. Yeah.
Can you lonely? Were you saying, but time you Rasta you know, we all need someone.
No, during that time, I wanted space. I felt as if I wanted space. So it's like I ended up running away from a lot of people. Being alone was better. Feeling actually really sick, feel alone.
And other people, they say, no, you look here, Queen Lady Squander. They were thinking, but no, it's because of drugs and whatnot and whatnot. Have you ever done drugs in your life?
No, I don't do drugs. And people always talk. People always talk. They used to say a lot of stuff. It's not healthy. And I believe that my body doesn't have anything to do with my music. If you love Lady Swan, I'm sure you love the voice, not the body. And this is what I want with my body. And this is who I am. And
Yeah.
I like it.
But you know the Swanda.
Yeah.
The other thing that I'm loving about you, man, is the voice, man. When it's my number 1-0, she's the voice that I buy. And you want to know my Doritori voice, Raj.
Yeah.
Now, Lady Swanda, as a woman, like what you said, Kuti, there was a time when you needed space. You know, times were not really good for you. And right now, we're living in a time where a lot of women are being abused emotionally, verbally, even body shaming. What's your take on some of the major issues about women who are lonely? What do you want to say, especially if I'm going to pay some drugs and all?
In do not believe a woman is someone who's strong. So when that time comes, I believe that I'm sure one day. I also want to encourage please don't be abused, don't die in silence. Because get ashamed, you know, no, that's not feeling ashamed.
And abuse you. There's a picture that I posted yesterday. James kind of one picture last number so and then the next day she posted a picture saying, you know, me and my man, we've been through a lot. What not only God understands, and what is it really is not when
strong and lovable and lovely. So most of the times vakadzi vanokurumbidza kuregerera, vakadzi vanokurumbidza kuita give up, vakadzi vakawanda vanokurumbidza kunyara kuti what are people going to say about me when I do this. So vanoenda apo vakutrai kugadzirisa zvinhu zvinenge zvakabhanganyuka, vakutrai kurongedza zvinhu zvakarongonoka, but it doesn't work that way. Yeah, I think if you see a man butchering you like that that means he doesn't love you. That's what I believe. I mean, he doesn't love you. Yes, and we must stop women abuse. Let's fight against women abuse. Please,
I love how you're running behind the message of women abuse, gender based.
Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Eti noi now. Peshona kwete chindau. Zichiverengwa naye when you skimba no fumura no